everybody, it's me Hassan from Prince Talk and you're back for part 2. Please subscribe to our channel and watch part 1 if you didn't already. So this is part 2 of our unboxing. Have fun with it. It heated up. It took around a minute and it will just say press load. I will just press load and let's see. Okay, it's pulling the filament. When the extruder gear starts rotating, push the filament down until it's gripped by the gear. So it's actually gripped by the gear. Okay. And I will just push the tubing back in. There's material coming out now. It was yellowish and getting red now. I will push next. When the filament coming out of the nozzle matches the color of the filament being loaded, press OK to finish the operation. Okay, actually it's red now. I will just press next and OK. Okay, that's it. We just loaded the filament. So that's the filament coming out of the nozzle. So press the icon to enter local storage. Local storage, okay. Choose the file. We want to have this spinner. We have the file name here and some information. Layer height 0.2 millimeters. Shell width 0.8. Infill 3%. Infill speed 80 millimeters per second. Estimated print time 54 minutes. This will take an hour. I don't know. Okay, we just start printing and then get the video maybe. Okay, print. Okay, it's homing the extruder heads and the axis. Okay. Oh, did you hear that? The clicking noise. It just got out the leveling sensor. It's going to level and I'm going to measure the noise that's coming from the printer right now. So let's see. They're stating in their spec sheet that it's less than 50 decibel. So we're going to see that. Actually, I'm going to take this on the front. I have 57 here, 60, let's make a max. In the idle state, it's actually around 50, 55 on the front. I will just measure on the back. On the back we have 60, 62. So when the doors are open, it's normal that the noise is maybe higher, the noise level. You see that? It's leveling the bed for the different points. But when it's going up, there is a really, how you say that? Vibrating noise. I don't know if you can get that on the camera, but we will look into that also in our reviews. Okay, so I'm just going to close the doors here and then I'm going to measure the noise level. Okay. On the front we have 55. When the axes are moving, we have around 65. Okay, I will check the front, the back. On the back we have 60. mainly coming from the front, from the back fan. Let's see what it's doing. It just stopped. Oh, it's heating up the left nozzle, so maybe to start printing. You'll see that. And because it's not printing right now, we have a noise level of 52 dB. Okay, maybe you can see that. Yeah, 52. So it just heated up to 215, and it's the circle here got green, so it reached the temperature, and heat bed is now heating. Maybe this will take some more minutes. We'll see. What I will do now is I will stop the camera, and then we will just start after the heat bed just got to temperature. Okay, he just heated up to 47 degrees Celsius. It should be going up to 50 for the heated bed. But the printer just started. I think it's just I don't know what it's doing. Really, I don't know. Oh, it's extruding something. So I think it's extruding just a little bit of material on the on the edge of the print bed. Yes, and now it started printing. Maybe you can get a little bit closer. And now we are going to measure the noise. We have 55 dB, so it's going really slow. That's the first layer, and we do want to have strong adhesion to the build plate, so we are going slow on the first layer. I think it will go faster on the next layers. So we have on this one 55 on the front decibel, and on the back actually at 60 we had already. Okay. We have a counter here that's also nice. We have the time estimation of 54 minutes and left are 51 minutes. So you can see that there. You can see the temperatures for the nozzles and for the heated bed. Yeah, the percentage, and I think you can tune something. I will just push that button here. I hope it won't explode. Okay, nozzle temperatures you can adjust here. The feed rate you can adjust on the go. You can have the fan speed. Yeah, you can adjust the fan speed. The flow rate. We have 94% flow rate for the left extruder. Okay, I like that. Let's check the utilities. Oh, you can home the axis and so on, but yeah, we don't need that right now. Print, let's see. Okay, we can check the cue and check what's on the stick, but that's okay. Now we're going to go back here, home, and you can see the part that's being printed, and you can pause it and stop it here. I will not how you say that, I will not push any more buttons here. I don't want to abort the print, so we're going to go through this and wait the 50 minutes. And what I will do is I will take the STL file of this spinner and I'm going to print it on the Stratasys machine, and then we just compare the print speed and also the print quality of these two parts. Okay, I will also measure the noise level of the Stratasys printer, so this will be in another episode, but I will do that for you. If you have anything else you want me to do on this printer, I will say that at the end. But if you want to have anything to say, or if you want me to do anything with this printer, just state it in the comments, okay? And the thing we are looking at right now is what benchmark are we going to take? So which file are we going to print to test the two printers? Maybe you have a suggestion. Would be nice if you can just tell me, or put a comment under the comment section here down below. So yeah, we'll just have to wait the 48 minutes now, and I can't talk that long. I'm so sorry. So we have to cut off the footage here, and I will just come back on when this thing is finished. See you soon. So I'm back here, but actually I couldn't resist, and I tried something, and we will see if this worked out. There is a function here in this printer. It's stated in the specs that if you have a power loss, you see that? I just unplugged the power cord. So if there's a power loss, it will start printing where it failed, where it stopped. So I will just put the power cord back in. Let's see what happens. Okay, printer is going on. Let's see if this function is working. Oh, there's a screen here now. Current file, giveaway spinner Raise3D, print process 7.5%, print time 8 minutes. And we encountered a power loss during the last build. You can choose one operation from below: continue current task, restart current task, cancel current task. I will continue the current task. Let's see if we get any defects, or if this print just resumes where it just stopped. We'll see that. Continue. Oh, okay. Good that it just did lift the nozzle, because it was going straight to the corner, I think, to get the reference points, but I think it just lifted and then got there. So okay, it just picks up where it's left. This feature is really working. We'll see if this starts. We just wait, and if this starts, we are going to let it be and then let it print. It just states 45 minutes left, so it's just also heating the extruder, left one, and the bed is actually at 50 degrees already. Let's see, and we'll see if this print will fail, or if it's going to start printing where it left off. I think it's working. So I have to say something in here. I have some other printers which can do that, okay? But it did not work out of the box like this one. This is the first power loss I have on this machine, and it just started printing without any problems. So we will see when I get out that print if we have any defects on that layer. Let's say it's on 10%, so I will check the heat, and then we'll just measure where we got the power loss and see if that got any defects on there. Nice, just printing. So see you in 44 minutes. Bye. So we are back and waited around an hour to let this printer finish. We have here a message: task finished, print is successful or print failed, so it's successful, print success. So we're going to get this out of the printer and have a look. Open the door. Get this thing out. Oh, you hear that? That has been X-axis, or what axis that actually is, I don't know. So that's the print on the print bed. Did you see that? My sticker fell off. Great. So that's the print bed. Yeah, it's stuck. Okay, we have an anchor here. You can see that, hopefully. So okay. And it's actually sticking really well. I will just bend this one and see if it just pops off. Yeah, it just did a little sound there. I will just, yeah, I have it. Okay. Let's see if this one spins like everyone is saying. Oh, okay, yeah, it spins. That's not bad. Let's see. We have to do this a little bit more. Jiggling here. Okay. Okay, it's spinning now. So the print quality, it looks good. But I have to say something here. Actually, when looking at Joel's channel and 3D Printing Nerd, every print he got is perfect for him. But that's not true. I mean, there are so many defects in there. We are going to look at this a different way. So the outer perimeters look decent. There are some, yeah, here, there's a defect here. Maybe this was the part where we stopped. No, it couldn't be, because we stopped at a millimeter or so, where we just cut off the power. But it resumed, and there is actually only one thing where you can see where the power was shut off. Let's see if you can see that. There's a little notch there, a defect on the outer shell. Okay, but it continued the print and it finished the print. That's not bad. I like the quality here, and we're going to compare this with the one which will come from the Stratasys printer. And if you like, I can compare this machine also with the FlashForge Creator 3 and the Adventurer 3, but the Creator 3 is actually also an IDEX printer like this one. So many of you watching this maybe are looking at both of these printers and do want to have a comparison. So if you put something in the comments like, I want you to compare these two printers, I will do that. So just get down in the comments and leave me a comment so I can see if anybody wants that. Okay, so actually we are finished now with having the first print done. It took us around half an hour to set up, I think, and an hour to print. And the first print is actually really good. the noise level actually is not at 50 dB, but more like in the 60-65 dB range when working. So the specs are a little bit off there, but it's okay. I would not recommend it using in an office. I can hear it from my desk up there, so it is yeah, not so noisy, but the sound level is hearable. It's over 60 dB. Okay, so yeah, we're finished. I will just put that back in, and if you have anything you want me to do on this printer, and also on the Stratasys printer, you will see in a minute on which machine we're going to test. So give me a comment down there, and see you soon. And yo bro, get in the printer. I'm coming. Man, you're awfully slow. Time is money. You can call it a day, bro. I take over. Okay, I'm off then. See you soon, everybody. So, this is the Stratasys F170. We are going to use this machine to compare it with the Raise3D E2. This has an oven built in, so it is heating up the complete chamber. It has dual extrusion and filament spool holders here, and we're going to use this one to start our benchmark. So see you soon here at Twinstock. Print speed and also noise. So stay tuned here at 3D Printing Nerd. Scheiße, wir sind keine 3D Printing Nerd, wir sind Twinstock. I'm coming. You can you can call it a day, bro. I'm taking over.